Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Ace the Bat Hound from the DC League of Super Pets. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, okay? So if you're a beginner, don't worry about it. You're in the right spot. Chill out. Short lesson, very short lesson, maybe like 7 minutes, okay? So we're going to get started, all right? Let's go through it step by step. Everyone should be able to do this, all right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with the top of the head over here. And I'm going to go over here and just like a small space between the bat ears. Okay, it's gonna be pretty small. It's gonna be like a curved, slightly curved line because it's the top of his head. And then I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull up. Go over here on this side. Up. Down. Down. So you have the bat ears immediately. They poke right up. Okay? Gonna go over here along the side of the head and I'm gonna pull out, out, down, down. Gonna go over here underneath, curve for kind of the eyes, right? And the eyes are gonna be very deep, right? Very deep set. Gonna go over here, so you're drawing this kind of glasses shape. Curve right here, curve right here. Looks kind of like glasses. Over here at the nose, curve right there. Again, glasses shape, okay? And pull up. See how that looks like glasses, pretty much? Like lenses. Okay? Gonna go out here now, and I'm gonna pull out for the side of the mouth, down. It's got that hound face. Gonna go over here, out, down, right there. Curve underneath for kind of the side of his mouth over here. He's got that hound face. Curve right here, right there. It's gonna be like pulling like that. And then I'm gonna pull up. Okay, doing pretty good so far, okay? And he's got a tooth sticking up right here. Right there. See that? I'm gonna go right here and pull up this side of his face. So far, coming together. You know what really comes together though? If you press that subscribe button and click the bell notification. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be drawing a simple drawing lesson. So if you're a beginner, perfect. And I'm gonna do it 3 times a day. And what's gonna happen is if you subscribe and click the bell notification, what's gonna happen is you're gonna look on your feed, on your regular YouTube feed, and you're gonna see a video every now and then. You're like, oh, cool, how to draw whatever it is that day. And you can decide whether you wanna draw that day or not. If it's not something you want, no problem. If it is, cool, good thing you subscribed. So absolutely, there's no downside. Click the subscribe, bell notification, no downside at all. Okay, and in the future, if you want to unsubscribe, you can totally do that. But let's get back to the video. So I'm gonna go over here now to the nose, and I'm gonna draw a curve right here because the nose is aiming right at us. Curve around the side, curve around the side. Line over here. Curve around the top there. And I'm gonna fill in the bottom of that nose right there, just totally dark. You can do this in pencil, pen, doesn't really matter what you use. All of this stuff, you can shade it in with the side of the pencil too. I just use marker because I think it shows up best on camera. I think it's a very good teaching tool for you guys. I'm gonna draw a straight line down for that split in that mouth. Line up, and line over here for the mouth, okay? Doing pretty good? You with me? Okay, doing pretty good. All right, so there's a lower lip right here. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw the lower jaw, and it's essentially just kind of a curved line, kind of connecting that bottom part, right? Relatively simple stuff, okay? Let's go over here to the eyes. I'm gonna draw a line down right there on one side, down on the other. Curve, curve. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. So you have the white of the eye, and the white of the eye is called sclera. That's the white of your eye. I'm gonna go in now, and I'm gonna draw the dark portion of the eye. Dark portion of the eye right there. I'm gonna throw in a little highlight, and I'm gonna fill in the rest. See that? Little highlight, fill in the rest dark. Okay. And now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill in those glasses. Remember that glasses shape? I'm gonna fill it in, but I'm gonna not totally try to do this, but it might be a good idea to leave a line right there so that you can see the dark part of the eye. You don't have to do that, but it might be a cool idea. Just gonna fill that in. Fill that in. Hopefully you guys are having a good day, chilling out. All right, cool. See, kind of like that. You know, you're leaving a line there so you can see the dark part of that eye. So it sticks out like a stripe of white. Doesn't really matter what shape it is as long as it's there. I'm gonna draw a thin line here at the top. Okay. Curve along here, curve along here. Let's go here to the collar now, which is kind of the last thing. I'm gonna go over here, circle for the bat collar, and instead of like drawing out the whole symbol, it's normally, you know, I'm just gonna straight up draw a curve like a parenthesis sign here, draw a straight line across, maybe draw 2 lines up for the ears and 1 line down right there for the ears. Curve up, down, curve right here, curve right here, just thickening out that collar. Really simple collar, but since it's Batman's collar, right, or essentially Bat Hound's collar, you want to throw a couple of lines right there. Just throw a couple of double lines every now and then, because it's gonna have like this utility belt style collar. And that's it, by the way. You can draw maybe the shoulder down, like some of the shoulders down. This is a vignette, of course. Don't forget to say hi to me if you saw the movie. I'd love to hear what you thought about it. That's pretty much the end of it. What I want you to do is I want you to say hi to me in the comment section. Hit that like if you like these videos. And I want you to share the video if you made it to this point. If you made it to this point, share it with a friend that you think might like it, or just share it on Twitter, because it does help out the channel. Less than a second. Thank you so much. Talk to you next time. Stay positive. And I want you to understand that you just got to keep practicing and you will get better, okay? Talk to you next time. For skills, go right here to this video on here, on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw. And it kind of, I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.